Hey guys, it's Gina. I'm back in the kitchen today. Um, and I am just making a quick chicken stuffing uh, meal for tonight's dinner. What I'm using is, first of all, I'm using a box of chicken flavored stuffing mix. It's already in my bowl. 1 egg, celery and onion, some sage, and a cup of chicken broth. This came off of the chicken I cooked earlier today that I needed to skin and take off the bones. So, you all will notice I did not saute my celery and onions as I normally would. I'm just too tired. I'm flat tired. Um, I've been boiling chicken. It was some thighs. They were uh, not the boneless, skinless ones. These were the ones that had the skins and the bones and all that. So, and I've been starting holiday cooking. I've started a batch of cookies for Christmas, which I will be freezing. I got drafted this year, sort of. You know, not everybody's got the ability anymore, physically or whatever, to make cookies every year. Um, that kind of thing. So, this year, I'm taking care of it. Still needs more sage. These are things y'all can do according to your taste. I just like mine really heavy on sage. I like sage. I've always eaten stuffing or dressing with a lot of sage in it. Yeah, that's better. Quite a bit better, actually. So, that's going to go into this 8x8 baking dish. Also, I forgot to spray the pan. Spray. Like I said, I'm having a heck of a time right now even getting around. This is no joke. So that is going to go on the bottom of the pan. That is your bottom layer. And, just try to evenly distribute everything and get it kind of mashed down and stuff. And some of the reasons I do some of the basic recipes like this is because a lot of it is at a very beginner level. A lot of people are just now learning to cook through the COVID stuff. So I'm trying to give things that are some recipes that are real beginner, so that, it's not intimidating for people that are brand new. Next thing we're going to need is some chicken. You're going to layer the chicken here on top of your stuffing mix, and get that on there however much y'all like. In your family, everybody's situation is different, and some people are bigger eaters than we are at my house. The other thing you're going to need is a can of either cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, cream of celery type soup, to put over the top of this. And then you're going to put some foil over the top, some aluminum foil, or at least I do, to help keep the chicken moist because mine's already cooked. So I don't want my chicken to get really super dried out or anything. Um, Now, other things you could put on here. You could put some cheese. You could put some potatoes and some potatoes in this one. It would work real well. Uh, Mixed vegetables would work real good. Peas, carrots, any of that stuff. So you could do one pot type thing. Um, you know, and that'll work too. But this is the basic concept. And then you'd put your cream of chicken over the top. And at that point, you know, you've got something that's at least an edible dinner. You could also put cheese on here. If you really like cheese, go ahead and throw you some cheese on top. This is the only thing I don't like about these cans like this is the sound effects. And I'm just going to kind of pull it out with the spoon. Now, like I said, this is something that's kind of quick, kind of easy. Especially if you are one that buys pre-cooked chicken, or if you have chicken that's left over that you made like for dinner one day and you're thinking, what can I do? This is a good quick recipe, at least that you can, most people would eat, you know, without squawking too much about it. I mean, that's just how it is. Certain people. Anyway, that was the recipe. Talk to you later.